Welcome to webXR.tools. To get started, click Login Register. Put in your name, pick a username, add your email, set your password, agree to the terms of service, and click Register. When you register, you'll be sent an email to verify your email address. If you already have an account, click Login and put your username and password and log into the dashboard. To get started, click Create New Project. Give that project a name, select the VTO project type, and click Create Project. When the project loads, you'll see a left column, a center column, and a right column. The left column is a configuration. You have your loader and your model. The center column is your canvas, and the right column is your settings for your canvas. We'll go back to our loader scene. Here in the loading scene, we can see we have a purple background with a webXR.tools logo. We can customize this logo and the background color. To get started, go over to the right panel, click the folder icon. This loads the asset manager. Here we can drag in our logo. We'll click select, new logo, load it onto our purple background. Next, to change the background color, we'll click the purple icon here. We can select from a bunch of preset colors. We can select from some pre-made ones or choose a specific hex or select from the color picker here and drag it around until you find a color you like. Next, we can set our animation effect. We can choose from zoom, which zooms it in, bounce, which has this little bounce up and down, or none, where it's just static. I like the bounce, so we'll set it to bounce. And then we can set the scale of the logo. Do we want to make it smaller or larger? You can adjust it to a scale you're happy with, and once you have that, your loader is done. Next, we'll select our model scene. You can see the preloaded XR 3D model. We can grab it, move it around. We have our top bar, our call to action, and our experience in AR buttons. To change the 3D model, we'll select the folder icon, launch our asset manager, drag in our 3D asset. We'll click select. You can see our 3D chair loaded into the scene. We also have the USDZ file automatically generated for us for iPhone AR experiences. We can also adjust the background color. Once we got a background we like, we can also update the logo by clicking it, selecting a background color, or in this case, clicking clear. We'll drag in a new logo, so we have two different from the loader and the header. And then we'll hit select. The logo size is not very big, so we'll make it a little bit bigger. Next, we'll update our call to action and link out. Here, we'll change the text to learn more. We'll add our link to the Herman Miller site, and we'll update the color of the button. We'll click Save Changes. We'll go up to the project settings upper left-hand corner. We see the project name and description. This is the information you see when you share the link out, either in social media or in a text message. We'll give it a nice little description so when we share the link, people know what they're clicking. We'll set our thumbnail. Select, and then hit Save Changes. Hit Save and Publish. When we see the little green icon, we can view our project live. When the project loads, we can see our loader screen with our logo. We can see our 3D asset loaded here. We can move it around. We see our experience in AR button. Scan this on your mobile device. It'll load up the experience. You'll click the Open in AR button and test it out. We can also click our CTA to test. Here it loads our website. Now you've created your first VTO.